I've got a Sephora play. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. I'm so glad you've taken a moment to join me today. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click that subscribe button to add a little chaos to your day. And if you're a regular here, I thank you so much for taking these 5 minutes out of your day to watch me. It means so much to me and I really appreciate it. Sephora is a subscription box. It's $10 a month. They send it out towards the end of the month, evidently. You earn points when the box goes out, and those points add up to, free things from the Sephora website. I've gotten a lot of nice free stuff if you just let those points accumulate. And then if you go into the store, you get 50 points if you buy something. I never do. Watch some of my other videos. Maybe I'll link one for you here to find out the best way to get free things from Sephora. Today I'm gonna do this a little bit differently. Usually I've got my makeup on and then I just show you what's in the bag. Today I thought I would try on whatever comes in the bag. It comes in these little bags every month. This bag says beauty is my spirit animal. I love this one. Every month you do get a bag. Tell me in the comments what you do with your bags if you get the Sephora beauty box. Okay, we've got Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner. I do not know what color I have here. Goodness gracious. No idea. Let's try it.
I like it. It's a pretty color. Whoa.
Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Very pretty color. What do you think, Ed? Here's little Ed over here. Say hi, Ed. He's eating candy. I bribed him with candy so I could record a video. Next we have Sephora Matte Perfection Foundation, Powder Foundation. It's a pretty tiny sample though. A modern hybrid powder foundation with a creamy texture and buildable soft matte finish. Okay, I am going to use this and just put some here on my nose. Oh, whoa. No, baby. It's got a surprisingly decent coverage. Look at that. Watch this age spot right here go bye-bye. Look at that. This is surprising. Let's see this down here. This ugly. I've got some red under here for my rosacea. It's covering up pretty good.
Mama.
What, baby? You want some of this? Okay. Okay. You need some more? Oh, you gonna look in the photo? Say hi, friends. Hi.
Papa.
Bubba's at church, isn't he? Murad Invisibler Perfecting Shield Broad Spectrum. This is a decent sized bottle, and I do have another Murad product that I don't love. It's a reddening anti-red kind of thing, and I haven't really noticed a difference. But I have heard good things about this, so I'm really excited to try it. Here. This is called Verb Ghost Oil, and it's an anti-frizz oil. Let's give this a try here. Okay. Here's the problem. Let's try again. No scent. Unscented. So I've got a little bit of frizz going on, but really not that much. Oh, it is scented. But the weird thing is when I first put it in there was no scent. But now that I've rubbed it through my hair, there is. Mostly it's making my hair look oilier than it already did. Okay. It actually did a really good job where I get this frizz right here in particular with those gray hairs. It did a really good job of smoothing them down. Now on to the scent. Very floral-y. It's quite perfumey. Feels like two more things in here. Oh, anti-frizz. 2 anti-frizz products. I'm not gonna put the on since I just put the Verb on. And this is Lancome. Can't read it. Raise your hand if aging requires the use of glasses to read anything.
Mama.
You? Raise your hand, Ed. Raise your hand. This is a facial cleanser, which I won't use right now because I just put makeup on for you. that is it.
Nothing.
Thank you for joining me today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do makeup, skincare, hair, and nails. It's chaos here all the time. You just never know what you're gonna get. Tell me in the comments below what the weather's like where you are. It's warm and cold here in Houston, so I'm wondering how the rest of the country is faring with spring. Here's a video for you to watch while you wait for my next upload. Be blessed.